So we're down at the bird sanctuary in Comox, BC, and just up here there's a little walkway that leads to a viewing platform. And we'll go down to the end of this walkway here to the viewing platform, and there's always some seed kicking around. We'll get some seed off the railing here and feed some of the birds. There you go, gather up some seed. And then it's just a waiting game. You just stand here with your hand out, and the birds will come. One day I was doing this, and a blue jay came down and landed on my hand. Scared the crap right out of me. Because you see the size of the bird that comes and lands, it's just a little guy. And then when this big honking blue jay landed on my hand out of nowhere, and I wasn't wearing a glove either, it scared the crap right out of me, I tell you. That it did. So these little birds that come and land on your hand, I came down here another time and I had the birds were landing on my helmet and they were landing all over me. It was a pretty cool day. So here we go. Bird sanctuary in Comox. Let's go ride.